Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. This is a 32-inch LG LED TV that comes to repair for now power issues. While checking here, we found that the motherboard is damaged due to lightning. Since it's an old model TV, new board is not available in market, so here we decided to install the new model LCD LED Universal Motherboard. So here we already completed the installation and wiring process. All connections are connected in sockets, including the default IR sensor. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is working back to normal. Now the next step is fix this universal board properly in a back cover. So finally, now the work is completed. Now enter into service mode for adjusting LVDS mapping and other settings. See, now finally the entire work is done and the TV started back to working normally. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.